In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and clicking on one of your chats. Then select this plus at the bottom left corner and tap on Files section next to Stickers. Finally, you can tap on one of those apps, tap on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. And finally, click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now just hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you can't add a video using Files section, you can also tap on Gallery instead. Then tap on Folders. Click on Videos filters at the top of the chosen category. Hold one of your videos and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!